A little sad that we're not going to be racing, but it's okay. We're going to get to see some other Thunderbirds too, which will be cool. We got the whole gang behind us. We're about to pull in, get some parking, get check out some cool cars. Here we are, Street Car Takeover, checking out some race cars. Let's go look at some wild setup.
What a shame.
This is what Dalton's car will look like end of the year.
By the end of summer, actually.
End of summer?
Yeah. Okay. It'll be ready for Bristol. That toolbox costs more than your car, I guarantee you. So considering I got my car for basically pennies, yes.
Getting a lot of ideas out here looking at the turbos. A little colored turbo action. It's pretty sweet. Hey Dalton, that's your 4L60 in there. See Dalton, if you just did that in your car, you wouldn't have trouble getting
I should have just cut out the entire dash.
I know.
Would have been easier to
Would have got the top bolt easy. Gotta check out the bird. Very nice. He actually just got this motor put in before this. Got a lot nicer lights than I had. And then we got
not falling out either.
The Super Coupe with the turbo right in the center.
That's really cool.
Got a little nitrous kit on it.
His hood cutout looks a little better than yours does.
A little cleaner. Fast forward to the next day, and Street Car Takeover got shut down until today. So we're just gonna make a little side trip to the McLaren dealership. Immediately, you got a Regera right in the front, fellas. Now, I've seen about all these cars about 1,000 times, but it's still cool to come look at them again. Getting to see that 40 again, pretty cool. Wow. North Carolina's been getting a little crazy with the hypercars lately. Anything really exciting yet, Dalton?
Nothing we ain't seen before.
That's what, yeah.
You know, I think I might, they got the VIN plate right there. I think I might run the VIN and see what the Carfax is on this bad boy. See if I can pick it up.
Make sure there ain't been in no accidents, you know. Looks a little rough. Thing's a little sharp on the front, ain't it?
So you can mow people down.
Dude, this is about as custom as the K1500 interiors.
Actually, we took a 765 dash and we put it in the K.
Yeah, we got that install right there. The what is that? That looks like a triple din.
Yeah,
well, need to go ahead and grab that. That's a double din turned sideways.
That's just a Samsung 7A Lite. That's all.
Yeah,
it is.
pretty much. Go ahead and pick up these seats real quick for the bird. Take them home. Dude, this thing got Terminator Cobra color on it.
So you know how hard that would be to spray.
That's like $20,000 paint job. To head to the racetrack and get parked in the car show and go watch some racing. Spare change, please. I'm gonna get the pearly whites tore up. Engine's completely soaked, turbo soaked. Car looks about 2% cleaner, but that's okay. Well, we got her in. She's in. We snuck him in. Didn't even have to pay for anything. So we're gonna go look around. If we find closer parking, we gonna move.
Good Lord, Dalton, what doing?
Good Lord, sitting here dying.
Good Lord.
Good Lord, somebody done
Lord,
grenaded the transmission.
Good Lord, I know.
sitting here for about 3 hours. How many races have we seen in 3 hours?
About 10.
Track gets shut down every 5 minutes. Someone died.
Can't run until we get an ambulance back.
Every car on the property is leaking, so after every pass they got to spend an hour cleaning the track, and then every 5 passes someone dies. That's the most races we've got to see all night.
That's been the 5th consecutive pass. Literally, in the 9 hours we've been here, 5 passes back to back.
At least we're getting some music. Just when we thought it was gonna get good, we back on the ground, sit. Well, we heading out. We got to see a little bit of racing. It's all right. Bird parked over here 10 miles away, as usual. Been at the racetrack so long the camera stopped working. They ain't even focusing anymore.
I got some on that.
Oh, there it goes. Better go eat. We done with Street Car Takeover today. Pretty good.